everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, and today we are going to solve the most important question asked in TCS reasoning question. And basically, I have given this name as a mock test. So this is a similar kind of questions you will be also getting in the exam. So I hope you all are ready. Okay. So let me know if I am audible and visible to everyone. Chalo bhai jaldi bata do. So if you are able to see me, if you are able to hear me, then we can start with the session. The voice is clear or not? Very good evening, Abhijit. Okay. सर प्लीज TCS NQT के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट कोडिंग क्वेश्चन पाइथन में यूट्यूब पे अपलोड कर दीजिए. So Python tomorrow there will be a class, live class will be there. So there we will be able to do it. Not a problem. Okay. So let us start with the question number 1 here. So today we are going to solve the question which has been asked in the TCS exam. See, if you'll solve real problems, no, the actual question which is getting asked in exam, then only you will be able to do well in the exam. See, solving some random question is not going to help you. You have to solve the question which is asked in the previous exam. So basically I have taken around 25 questions, okay, and I will be taking more time here. Okay, I will be taking more time here because I need to explain and I need to solve, but you need to try to solve these questions within 25 minutes. Okay, now here question number 1. Let's see how many of you are able to solve. I will start the timer here. Chalo bhai. So I'll start the timer here. Okay, your timer started now. So the classes in Java and Python will be happening tomorrow. Both will be there tomorrow. Okay, one shot. So in a certain code, if Kindle is written as KJP, JPJ, then how is Victor written in that code? And don't forget to like the video. As I said, if there will be more than 500 plus likes, I'll be bringing more and more sessions. A screen not visible. A screen is visible, bro. So S Naidu is telling a screen is not visible. A screen is visible. Okay. Come on. Option A. So another. Okay. So S Naidu is telling option A. Tarun Kumar is telling option A. Okay. Very good. 2% has given the answer. And your time is option B. Somebody is telling Arpan Da is telling option B. Abhijit Shah option A. So your time is up now. Let's see. So some 3-4 people have given the answer. So what they are telling, sir, if Kindle is written as K J P J G P J, then how Victor will be written as? Okay. Now, so friends, if you will try to see, the first thing what you have to do is you have to write the alphabetical position number. Like K is 11, I is 9. How K is 11? Sir, Kings 11 Punjab, that is IPL team we know. Sir, I write like this, I love you. So this is nothing but 9. And November 14, bhaiya, Bachcha Divas, Children's Day. T is 4. Lunch, in SBI, lunch will be happening at 12. E is 5. So you need to keep EJOT in mind. Like this, you need to remember this. Keep that in mind so that the problem will become very, very easy. Now K is 11. This is 10. This is 16. This is 7. This is 16. And this is 10. So what I could see, this is plus 0. This is plus 1, this is plus 2, this is plus 3, this is plus 4, and this is plus 5. Okay, now this is what we have to calculate. Look at the option. You see the last digits are different. Okay, so R is nothing but sir 18. So 18 plus 5 will be 23, and 23 will be W. So I just need the last digit. Okay, last alphabet. I just need the last alphabet. Okay, Arpanda is solved, sir. B I have solved. B is not the answer, A is the answer. And I hope it is clear for everyone. Is it clear? So you did not have to find out the complete things. As I saw, the last alphabet is different. So I directly found out from here that if I'll add 5, I will be getting 23. 23 is W, 1, 2 and 3, 3 points. So we say this is W, that is 23. That's all, bhaiya. Our job is done. Okay. Sir, I request for NQT previously. Now I want to edit. How can I do, sir? You cannot do it. You cannot edit it. Okay. Now the second question. The second question is easy peasy. Okay. And I hope, let me see if you are able to see or not. So guys, please like the session. As I said, if there will be 500 plus likes, I will be bringing more and more such interesting session. You will definitely enjoy. So around 164 people are watching right now, and I could see only 30 people have liked the session. This is really, you know, we are putting a lot of effort here for 1 hour, for 2 hours. Continuously we need to speak, prepare the content. So how much time it takes, and we are providing it for free. So please, you know, so at least like the sessions. That will definitely motivate us. So EBB, JPI, okay, OJO, TDW and YXD. So this is you know, the series, and you have to tell which is wrong in that. Okay, which is wrong in that. I will write down here. So EWB, let me see how many of you have anyway given the answer. JPI, OJO, TDW and YXD. Correct? Okay. So anybody has given the answer? Let me see here. Chalo bhai, jaldi se. We'll see who has given the answer. Screen is not. Arey, somebody is telling screen is not visible. Screen is not clear. So I could see screen is clear. How many of you think the screen is not clear? Not able to see question. Question not clearly visible, sir. See what they are telling. Select the wrong term in the following series. You have to select the wrong term in the following series. EBB, JPI, OJO, TDW and YXD. Now you need to find out which is the wrong term, which is a wrong term in the series. That's all, if you are not able to see. Now let us try to understand and solve it here. So E is 5, this is 23 and this is 2. So you need to write the alphabetical position. This is 10, this is 16, this is 9, this is 15, this is 10, this is 15, and then this is 20, this is 4, this is 23, and then this is 25, 24, and here it is 4. Okay. Now let's try to understand what is happening here, my dear friends. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. So the first letter is done. Now second one. So 23 minus 7, 16 minus 6. So 23 and W, EWB. So it is EVB, I am sorry. So it is EVB. So EVB, so B will be 22. So now this is 6 and here also 6. And then 10 minus 4 is 6 and then 4. So 4 back, 26, 24. So here also 6. So this is also proper. Now the next one we will try. 2, 7, 9, 9. Okay, 2 plus 7 is 9 and 9 plus 6. Okay. And then 15 plus 8. So here only there is some problem. So instead of 9 here, it should have been 8. So plus 6, plus 7 and plus 8. So the problem is OJO. So the problem is OJO. Option D will be the correct answer. Okay. So the answer is, nothing but OJO. OJO. That's all done. Is it clear for everyone? See, I am seeing on my laptop. See, I have a laptop where I am playing this, right? And I could see the questions are clear. I don't know how you guys are not able to see the question clearly. But anyway, I will write down the question which is not clear. Okay. Now tell me if this question is clear, and if this question is clear, then please go ahead and solve it. The pair of letters given below has a certain relationship. Select the pair of letters from the given alternatives that gives the similar relation. So I hope this question should be clear. This is very much clear for me. And for you also it should be clear. Now let me know if it is clear, and if it is clear, please solve. Your time starts now. Chalo bhai. So within 1 minute, you have to solve the question. 1 minute is also more. Guys, please do like the video. I am telling you, if there are 500 plus likes, I'll be bringing one short session for complete aptitude with all the formula, so that before your exam, that one video will be sufficient for revision. Okay, so that is only when you see, if I am making some videos, I want you guys to utilize that, right? I want you guys to watch that. So let me so please do like the session, and definitely I am going to do that. Okay, 4, option D, fourth option. Okay, so let me try to solve it here. Many of you have already solved. So what they are telling, so we have BLV, so we have BLV and then HRB. Okay, so here it is 2 and L is 12, V is 22, and then 8 and then 18 and then 2. So 2 plus 6 is 8, and 12 plus 16 is 8, and 22 plus 6 is 2. So basically, see, 22, that means 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, right? And after that, 27 and 28. So this becomes 1 and this becomes 2. So 22 plus 6 will be 28. 28 is nothing but 2. So this is how we do it. Now here, so I'll directly start with this 5 and this is 11, the very first letter. So it is plus 6. This might be my answer. This is 21 and this is 18. No, sir. This will not be my answer. This is 8 and this is 19. Sir, this will not be my answer. So this is 11 and this is 8. This will not be my answer. So there is no doubt at all. So option D becomes the correct answer for this particular problem. You do not have to use much of your mind. Clear for everyone, guys? Clear? Done for everyone? 3 questions we have easily done within the time limit. And now we will be moving towards the next problem. Okay. Next question is here. So I hope this is visible to you. I will tell you. So what they are telling in this question, what amount would Mr. Anuj need to pay to the taxi company for traveling a distance of 121 kilometer? So you have to find out Mr. Anuj. Okay. So Mr. Anuj, this is a data sufficiency problem. This is a data sufficiency problem in reasoning. So they're asking Mr. Anuj, traveling for 121 kilometer, how much money he should pay? 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 Okay. And then the taxi company charges rupees 11 per kilometer along with a fixed charge applicable on all journeys. The taxi company charged rupees 835, which included the fixed charge for a journey of 35 kilometer. Now you have to tell a statement 2 alone is sufficient, a statement 1 alone is sufficient, both the statements required and both the statements are not sufficient. Your time starts now. Your time starts now, and hope this question is clearly visible to everyone. I hope the question is visible to everyone. So please solve. Another 15 seconds. So option B, C, A. Friends, I am getting multiple answers like option A, option B, option C. Hello? Okay, so we are getting very different answer. Let us try to see. So this is a data sufficiency problem, and you have to tell what amount would Mr. Anuj need to pay to the taxi company for traveling a distance of 121 21 kilometer. Now statement 1. The taxi company charges 11 rupees per kilometer. So the 11 rupees per for 1 kilometer, charges 11 rupees. For 1 kilometer charges 11 rupees. So for 120 kilometer, it will be 11 into 21 with a fixed charge. So there is some fixed charge also there. So in statement 1, I will not be able to tell how much Anuj has to pay, because that fixed charge I am not able to get it. Now statement 2, the taxi company charged. So the taxi company charged 835 rupees, okay, which includes the fixed charges, okay, and 35 kilometer. For 35 kilometer, per kilometer price we don't know, and the fixed price. The taxi company charged rupees 835, which includes the fixed charges for a journey of 35 kilometer. Total Anuj paid 835, okay, and 35 kilometer he traveled. We don't know per kilometer price. We also don't know what is the fixed charges. So statement 1 and statement 2 alone, we are not able to tell from statement 1 and 2 alone that how much Mr. Anuj has paid. Agreed or not? Agreed or not? Yes sir, agreed. Okay, now I am going to combine S1 and S2. So after I combine, I know per kilometer price is 11. So 835 is equals to 35 into 11 plus fixed charges. So I will get a fixed charges is nothing but, sir, 385 is equals to F. So 0, 5 and 4. So fixed charges is nothing but 450. Now I can tell Anuj would have paid 11 into 121 plus fixed charges of 450. Actually, you do not have to calculate the exact value, but as I am explaining you, I am just telling you. So it is nothing but 1781 rupees Anuj has paid. But this value was not required. You just had to tell statement 1 and statement 2 together are sufficient to answer this question, and option C will become the correct answer for this particular problem. And now please let me know if it is clear for everyone or not. If it is clear, do like the sessions, friends. I'm telling you, one short videos with all formulas, everything, I'll bring it before your exam. That's my promise to all of you. Okay, so can you quickly like the video and tell me if it is clear or not. This was a very good question. Data sufficiency question always will be little tricky, but this is what will be asked in your exam. Okay, clear? Is it clear for everyone? Thoko like yaar. So just thoko like, so that I'll be bringing more and more session for you. Okay, chalo bhai, next question. So next question of your mock test is this one. Okay, I hope it is clear. So they are asking, I will write what they are asking. So they are telling, bhaiya, A cross B means A is daughter of B. A is daughter of B. Okay, and then A minus B means A is mother of B. A is mother of B. A divided by B means A is wife of B. And then A plus B means A is father of B. And then A star B means A is brother of B. A is brother of B. So you need to find out the relation between. So how is F related to D? So how is F related to D? And here you have F multiplied E star B plus C star D. Okay, this is what you have to solve. I'll start the timer now and let's see how many of you are able to solve. अरे भाई जानकी रमंग 35 into 11 is 385. That is what I have written. क्या भाई, कहाँ कौन से दुनिया में हो भाई? जानकी रमंग, just go back and see. I have written 3. Where I have written 885? It is okay. So I have already written the question here. Now tell me the answer in another 30 seconds. A cross B means A is daughter of B. A minus B means A is mother of B. A divided by B means A is wife of B. A plus B means A is father of B. A cross B means A is brother of B. So how is F related to D? F multiplication E star B plus C star D. Let me see how many of you are able to answer. Okay, already answers are coming. So Sahas is telling A, Abhijit is telling A. Okay, Arjit Haldar A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D. Arey bhai, A, D, A, D, A, D. It will not work like this. You have to tell only one answer, either A or D. So ओके जानकी मंग सॉरी भाई माफ कर दो मुझे लगा मुझे बोल रहे थे ओके सॉरी फाइन सो हियर वी हैव एफ क्रॉस ई स्टार पी प्लस सी स्टार डी ओके नाउ सो व्हाट इज एफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ई तो एफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ई मीन्स चलो भाई कहां चला गया एफ इज अ डॉटर ऑफ ई so F is a daughter of E. Now for female we will be using, for female I generally use minus sign and for male I use plus sign. Sir ye kya hai minus plus? See this will tell you that okay F is female. I mean after you make this, see basically we are making the blood relation tree. Okay, so here now we are clear that F is female and F is nothing but the daughter of E. So I'll make little down. So F is a daughter of E, correct? Okay. Then E star B. So E star B means E is the brother of B. So bhaiya E is the brother of B. E is the brother of B. Then B plus C. So B plus C means B is the father of C. That means B is the father of C. And then C cross D. So C cross D means what? C cross D means C is the brother of D. C is the brother of D. C is the brother of D. Right? Okay. Now, so what they are asking, how is F, okay, F related to D? So your father brother, my father brother is my uncle, okay, and my uncle son and daughter, right? So uncle son and daughter. So I am if I am female, then I am cousin sister for them, and if I am male, then I am cousin brother for them, right? So how is F related to D? So F is nothing but cousin sister. Now if they have asked how is D related, to F, in this case my answer will be cannot be determined. The reason is bhaiya the gender of D is not known. If the gender of D is not known, then we cannot take whatever we want. Okay, sir, please, once numerical ability, tough mock question. See, if I will take tough mock question on YouTube, it is very, very difficult to teach. So that is the reason I don't take very tough mock on YouTube, that I take in the classes. Okay. So is it clear for everyone, guys? Please do like the video. I am telling you, if there are 500 plus likes, I am going to bring all the formulas of aptitude together with the problems so that you will have a very good revision before your exam. Now moving ahead with the next problem, I hope it is clear. Okay, this question is crystal clear. And now this one you need to solve. Your time starts now. Chalo bhai. So your time has already started. Another 10 second. Survey mail you guys will receive, don't worry. Okay. Okay, your time is up and nobody has solved this, and this is the actual problem of your TCS exam. So this is a concern now. This is a concern now if you are not able to solve in 1 minute. Okay. Now let's see. So what they are telling, which one is true? Here G is the grandson of C. G is the grandson of C. And F star G means, only see this, see the first one. I am just taking the first one to tell you. C star D, dollar F and dollar F percentage G. So what is F percentage of G? F percentage of G means F is the father of G. Do you know the gender of G? Do you know the gender of G? So they're asking, G is the grandson. Arre sir, I only saw this. F star G, F percentage G, that means F is the father of G. But G is male or female. Kaise pata chalega? Kaise? So this option is wrong. So I don't know if G is a grandson or daughter or bhai beech ka, that I don't know. Okay. So my first option gone like this. First option you remove. Okay. Then you see this C percentage of D. A is a maternal grandfather of D. So this will be okay. K, L is the son-in-law. K dollar L. K dollar L means Q is the, okay, this also will work. So one option is gone. Now we will check the, so option A is eliminated. Okay. Option A is eliminated by many of you have given the option A. Option A is gone. Option A cannot be your answer. Okay. Now some of you have given option as D. So K plus L dollar M at N. Okay. So K plus L means L is the son of K. L is the son of K. L is the son of K. Correct? Okay. L dollar M means M is the brother of L. M is the brother of L. M is the brother of L. And M at N. M at N means N is the daughter of M. Right? Okay. Now N is the granddaughter of K. So your father and whatever it is, your father or your father mother, so you will be always grand, because you are a female, so you are daughter. You do not have to do anything with the gender of K. Gender of K is not required. If this is your grandfather or grandmother, bhaiya, I don't care. Grandfather or grandmother, I really don't care. I am the granddaughter of K. So option D will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay. So they're asking which of the following is true. So option D is true. All other option will be false. I could see the answer as B, C, A. अरे भैया कैसे क्लियर करोगे TCS? TCS कैसे होगा? Huh? Okay, so option D is the correct answer. I hope it is clear. Now I am moving towards the next problem, and tell me if it is visible or not. So tell me if it is visible or not, because what I could see here on my screen, let me see. हमारे पास भी एक laptop है. So in that screen, let me see if it is visible or not. I'll come this side. Yes, it is visible. It is visible. In a family of 10 person with 3 couples and having 2 children, R and T are brothers and each has 2 children. P is the father of T and Q is the mother of R. B is the brother of A. Who is the cousin sister of C and D? So who is the cousin sister of, they have asked. Who is the bhaiya cousin sister of C and D? That you tell me. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Okay, come on. Your time has started now. Okay, so your time is up, and I could see some of the answer. Grandson, it's TCS PYQ 2021. Okay, so yes, it is TCS problem. Thank you, Hari Prasad Misra, to confirm that this is TCS problem. Very good. Now let's see. So grandson, he is telling, in a family of 10 person with 3 couples. So 3 couples are there. Couples means not only boyfriend girlfriend. Couples means शादीशुदा लोग भी couple ही होते हैं. Okay, that is called as MC. अरे यार, married couple. You guys are like, So in a family of 10 person with 3 couples, each having 2 children, R and T. So they are taking care of this population. Okay, each is having only 2. हम दो, हमारे दो. See, that's what, the questions they will frame. No, I'll be very happy. They take care of each and everything like population. Okay, and see, they could have written MC marriage couple. They have not put. Okay, very good. So each having 2 children, R and T. R and T are brothers, and each has 2 children. Okay, P is the father of T. So भैया P है पप्पा. P is the father of T and Q. Okay, T and Q. And then they're telling, okay, P is the father of T. Oh, sorry. Arey bhai, sorry. P is the father of T, and Q is the mother of R. And Q is the mother of R. And then they are telling T and R are brothers. That means they both are married to each other. Bahut acha. Okay. So they both are no extra marital affairs. Okay. Now, B is the brother of A. So bhaiya B is the brother of A. Okay. B is the brother of A, who is the cousin sister of B is the brother of A, who is a cousin sister of C and D, who is a cousin sister of C and D. So in a family of 10 members. Okay, now let's see. So these two again will have 2 kids, and these two will have 2 kids, right? 3 married couple. So P and Q is one married couple, 2 kids. Now this T will have 2 kids, and this 2 will have 2 kids. Okay. So P is the father of, 1 minute, let me read again. Each having 2 children, R and T. Okay, has 2 children. R and T are brothers, and each is having 2 children. Very good. P is the father of T, and Q is the mother of R. B is the brother of A, who is cousin sister of C and D. So B and P is the brother of A, who is the cousin sister of C and D. B is the brother of A, and A, who is the cousin sister of C and D. That means definitely these are the kids of my brother. Okay. Now, how is B related to P? So, bhaiya, B will be nothing but grandson. Option A will be the correct answer. Sorry, I made it little lengthy, but it is very simple. So, P and Q is married. See, when you solve the question here now, and you have to read it and then you have to explain it, it becomes very hectic. Okay. So TR and then BA, CD, because they are cousins. That means definitely their father and their father both are brother. That's all. Simple. Clear? Clear for everyone, guys? Is it clear for everyone? If it is clear, then we will go ahead with the next problem. Chalo bhai. Next question. So next question is a question of a statement assumption, and here I am not going to give you much time. Okay, let's see. So you tell me the answer. Just read it and then tell me the answer. 30 seconds I will give you for this question, and your time starts now. Statement assumption. This is called as critical reasoning. So this will come under critical reasoning. So this will come under critical. Arey bhai. Critical reasoning. Okay. Tell me the answer fatafat. Tell me the answer fatafat. Reasoning. Sorry. Option 1. Very good. So many of them are telling only one is implicit. So a statement is followed by 2 assumptions numbered 1 and 2. Consider the statement and decide which of the following is implicit. the digitization of banking services has resulted in the fewer footfalls in the branches located in the city. So what they are telling, so Modi government has digitalized, okay, banking services. So now we have phone pay, you can check your balance, right? Now you have Google Pay, you can check your balance, okay, you can pay, you can, do lot of things from here, right? So you can do lot of things from here. Earlier, if you remember, every time we used to go to the bank, अरे भाई balance बता दो, tell me the balance, tell me the balance. So the number of people visiting the branches were more earlier, okay? Now definitely because of these services, right, digitalization, the footfalls has reduced in the bank, because many things now we are able to do at home only, okay? So statement 1, assumption 1, many services are available online, due to which people do not need to visit the branches. Yes, many things now we are able to do. See, if I need to transfer money immediately, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, I am able to do. I am able to see the balance, I am able to get the statement, everything I am able to do. Many bank accounts have been closed due to no buy. So because of digitalization, no bank accounts has been closed. This was done so that people can use these services from wherever they want, even sitting in toilet. Even if you are sitting in toilet, you can use, okay, you can send the money, you can receive the money. So from anywhere to everywhere, you will be able to do wherever the network is there, okay? Implicit meaning means you can say what can be concluded from here. So this you can think in terms of conclusion. So if this is there, then what we can assume, that's all. So that is the meaning of implicit. Clear? So only one is implicit, so option A will be the correct answer. Who is telling option C? Who is telling option C? Arey bhai, where the account was closed? See, after the digitalization, if the account is only closed, how will you use the services? You will not be using the services, right? Okay, it is clear. Now moving towards the next problem. So this is again 30 seconds. All these questions shall take only 30 seconds, friends. I am telling you. If you think the session is useful, please do like the video. Even comment later the session are useful, you understood, okay? I will bring more and more session, and 500 plus likes. So 500 plus likes. And then one particular, so one shot on aptitude and reasoning. All the formulas, everything I'll prepare you for the exam. So what is the answer? Just 30 seconds. Option D. Somebody is telling option D. Okay. Option D. Many of you have told option D. So I will tell you the basic concept of this. So very good, Kamya Jain. Okay, edit. Okay, Hunter, Iswarya. So many of you have given the answer. If I'll Priyanka. Okay, very good. Option D. Now let's see. So friends, one thing which you need to understand. So this is a unfolded cube. Okay, unfolded dais basically. And when you close it, what can be formed or what cannot be formed? So for that, first you need to find out the opposite faces. The opposite faces is very, very important. You need to find out the opposite faces. Okay. Now, so how to find out the opposite faces? See, K is there, right? So K opposite, one box you leave. K opposite will be one box you leave and the next box. So K opposite will be nothing but M. K opposite will be nothing but M. Now L, one box you leave. So what is there? N. So L opposite will be N and N opposite will be L. So basically from K, the third, first K, first and second, right? So K, L you leave, next box you leave, and then that will be opposite. From L, next box you leave, and then that will be opposite. And what is remaining? So bhaiya P will be opposite to O and O will be opposite to P. So this is the opposite faces. And next, so when you fold a dais, you have to keep in mind opposite faces can never come together. This you do not have to forget at any cost. Okay, so can never come together. Now you see L and N are opposite faces and is seen here. भैया ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. Unpossible event. Impossible no. Unpossible event. Okay. Again you see L and N. No sir. Unpossible event. Okay. Then what else? Then I see sir L M P O. Okay sir P O. यहाँ देखिए sir P O. अरे sir unpossible event. So what is remaining is your possible answer. Many of you have already given the correct answer. Very good. Thoko like. Okay. As much as like you will thoko that many number of videos, I will thoko on YouTube. Okay. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now next problem. Next problem is based on that only. So 3 positions of a cube. All are TCS asked question. So all are TCS asked questions. So bhaiya, this is TCS mock only. This is TCS mock only. So 3 positions of a cube are given. Based on them, find out which symbols and letters are found opposite the number 5 in the given cube. Okay. Sir, you are very handsome. Are Abhishek Mukherjee. Sirf opposite faces cannot be together. We are so same male. We cannot be together. Okay. What time the live classes in course? Live classes in courses, you will be getting the messages on daily basis. So that you need to check it out. I don't remember the timing of the live classes. Okay. B. तो ECEB श्रेयस पाटिल. अरे भाई दिख नहीं रहा है, चश्मा कहाँ गया मेरा? Where is my चश्मा? Okay. See, Sangeeta BS is telling, sir, you are very cute. Okay, so guys, very good. So, see, lot of answers are coming A, B, A, B. अरे भाई A, B, A, B कैसे आएगा? Okay, let's see. Now here, so 3 positions of a cubes are given. Based on them, you have to find out which symbols and letters are found opposite to 5. Okay, now, so friends, as I said, opposite faces cannot be seen together. Opposite faces cannot be seen together. Cannot be seen together. Correct? Cannot be seen together. Now, so here it is very sure that 5 opposite cannot be star because they are able, we are seeing them together. 5 opposite cannot be this one. 5 opposite cannot be infinity and 5 opposite cannot be A. Right? If it is opposite, you will not be seeing on this diagrams. Keep that in mind. If this is opposite of 5, bhaiya nahi dikhega. If this is opposite of 5, you will never be able to see. So now star gayab, infinity gayab, by W gayab. So option B will be the correct answer. Is it clear? Thoko like. Okay. If it is clear, guys, then please do like the session. You will be able to learn a lot in the today's session. So option B. Who are saying option A? I already said you opposite faces cannot be seen together. How are you giving the answer as A? अरे भाई सार्थक गायकवाड़ क्या हुआ तुमको? A. Okay. Next. So this is a question of data sufficiency, and you have to tell the shortest possible distance between point A and point D. So your time starts now. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay. So your time starts now. Chalo. So DSA book is having almost around 200 of questions, not more than that. So please try to solve this. I was in government job. I was in central government. Okay. But this is a question. See, this is a questions asked in TCS. Okay. Slowly the level of the questions will increase. So your time is up. चलो भाई बंद कर दो अब. ऑप्शन बी, गणना साइक. अरे गर्दा उड़ा दिए भाई. रवि तेजा, सुपर. लाइफ फॉर मैथ. Okay, super. So option B is the correct answer, seems to be the correct answer. We will verify. Okay, now. So whenever you get a questions of direction, सबसे पहले डायरेक्शन बना लो. NESW. That means north opposite will be south and east opposite will be west. Now point A is to the southeast. Southeast will be like this. Okay. So point A is the south. Point A is here. Okay. So भैया point A is southeast of point D. Okay. And to the southwest of point B. So southwest will be this side. So somewhere like this. Okay. Point B. The distance between D and B is, bhaiya, the distance between D and B is 16 meters. Point B is to the east of point D. So point B is to the east of, okay, that is correct. Both B and D are equidistant from this one. That means this will divide this in the equal parts. So this is 8 and this is 8. Now you need to find out the distance between A and D. Sir, this I need to find out. This distance I don't know. So suppose A and D will be equal to, भैया, square root of x square plus 8 square. नहीं sir, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I needed this particular distance, then only I could have solved. So your statement 1 gone. Your statement 1 gone. I cannot do anything with the statement 1. Now, statement 2. Point D is to the northwest. Northwest is this side. So point D is to the northwest of A. So this is my A. And point D is to the northwest of A. And point B to the northeast. Northeast is this side. So point B is to the northeast. Okay. Point D is 16th meter. Point D is 16th meter to the, so this is again 16 meter. No problem. Okay. And 8 meter to the west of point C. West is this side. So your C will come here. Okay. So 8 meter. Okay. Now, then what they are telling? Point C is 6 meter to the point of north A. So this distance they have given 6 meter. And now this A and D you have to calculate. So sir, A and D will be equal to 8 square plus 6 square. Sir, 64 plus 36 will be equal to 100. And 100 square root will be 10. That means, sir, data in the statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. But data in the statement 1 alone are not sufficient to answer the question. I hope it is clear for everyone. Guys, if it is clear, please do like the session. I am telling you, if there are more than 500 likes, I am going to bring one shot for aptitude and reasoning before your exam. It will be very, very easy to go through. All the formulas I will cover, the concepts I will cover, the questions I will cover. Probably some 4 to 5 hours of the video I will be bringing on aptitude and then on reasoning. Okay, I hope it is clear. जल्दी से कमेंट में बता दो, यस सर क्लियर, गर्दा उड़ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है, इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. Okay. Plus 500 likes added. So thanks Dharmendra. I know, I know each and every student loves online study for you a lot, loves me a lot, and that is the only reason I always put lot of effort into whatever I do. So in every session of mine, you might be seeing the effort which I put for you all. So that goes beyond. I have, my personal life. Saturday also I work, Sunday also I work, Monday to Friday, all 7 days I work for you all. Okay. अरे बहुत बढ़िया हरि प्रसाद मिश्रा, ठोक दिए, बस ठोकना है यार, टीसीएस में भी क्वेश्चंस को ठोक देना है बना के. नाउ योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ, so let's see how many of you are able to solve. Sir, most repeated coding questions give. अरे अल्लू भाई, that is the reason DSA white book was released. Okay, so that you get everything over there. Option C. Okay, you have another 28 seconds. Don't be in hurry. Don't be in hurry, guys. Because किसी ने मार्क कर दिया है, सर मुझे भी करना है, नहीं. You see the answer. So very good. ईश्वरी, सतपुते, अलका कुमारी, श्रीहरिणी, ओके, गणना साइक, सहस पुलिपति, श्रीहरिणी. Very good, guys. Very good, guys. Very good. So your time is up and you all have given the wrong answers. Very good. And this is what will happen in the TCS also, right? So this is what will happen in the TCS also. You guys are going to give the wrong answers, right? Okay. Not a problem. Right or wrong, कोई बात नहीं है भाई. Okay. So now your time is up. So those who are giving answer C, 100% wrong. Let's see. The product of the digit is 24. Are sir, 2 into 12. Okay, so single digit will be there. So sir, 4 into 6. Okay. Sir, 6 into 4. Sir, 3 into 8. Sir, 8 into 3. Okay. So there are multiple possibilities are there. The number might be 46. The number might be 64. The number might be 38. The number might be 83. Anything, sir. That we don't know. Okay. Now, the second statement said, okay, so statement 1, bhaiya, I can't answer. Second statement said, sir, the difference of the digit is 5. So 38, here also the difference between the digit will be 5. And sir, 83, here also 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 3, 5. So sir, here also, I am not able to find it out. Okay. If I combine, see, S2, definitely I am not able to again find it out. So S2 also gone. Sir, if the digits are interchanged, so if suppose it is 35, so how do we write? Sir, 10 into 3 plus 5. So that is what will be the form. 10x plus y is nothing but this is the form of 2 digit. So what they are telling, okay, so my 2 digit number is 10x plus y. Now statement 3 they are telling, if the digits are interchanged, the numbers thus obtained is 45. Now if I interchange the digit, right? So if I interchange the digits, okay, and the number thus formed is 45. If I interchange the digit y to x and x to y, then I have, then from the older number, it is more than 45. So 10y plus x minus, I will bring this side, 10x minus y is 45. So 10x and 10x, I'm sorry. So 10y minus y will be 9y minus 9x is 45. So y minus x. So if the digits are interchanged, the numbers thus obtained is 45 more than the original number. So y minus x is nothing but 5. Okay. So now you know, see, this is your x and this is your y. This is your y and this is your x, right? Okay. So statement 3 also I cannot answer. Now I am going to combine. So I see S1 and then S3. So S1 and S3 I see that these are the 4 options. And here it is clearly telling that y minus x should be 5. So my statement 1 and 3 together are, 1 and 3 together are necessary. Now 1 and 2, if I take 1, then also I am not sure. Okay. If I take 1 and 2, I will not be able to decide between 38. So if I take S1 and S2, I will not be able to decide between 38 or 83. Okay, and I don't have to combine all three because I am able to get the answer using this only. So I do not have to combine and check because already I am getting with 1 and 3. Is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Tell me if it is clear for everyone. Option A will be the correct answer. 1 and 3 is required. 1 and 3 is required. Okay, you will be easily able to solve this. See, statement 2, the difference between the two digits is 5. So in this case, you can have 16, 61, 35, 53. So if you combine 2 and 3, you will not be able to answer. Okay? Because we don't know, there will be multiple possibility, 2, 3, 3, 2, because in statement 1 they are just telling the difference of the two digit. So I'm sorry, 38, 83. So the difference between the two digit is 5. So there will be multiple combination will be there if you take in statement 2 alone. Is it clear for everyone, guys? Very good. So ECE has got A, that is correct. So this was a good question. Data sufficiency questions will be like that only. If we'll do a small mistake, that's all gone. Okay, clear? Why, if it is clear, please let me know. Sir, I got 2-digit form is given. Okay, and please thoko like yaar, I am telling you. Once again, I am telling you, 500 plus likes, more and more sessions will be coming. Okay, so I don't think you have a doubt. Now this question is very, very easy. This is one of the easiest problem. Slowly we will be also solving the difficult problem. After this we will be going with this syllogism we have to solve. Okay, we have to solve sitting arrangement. So these are little tricky, sitting arrangement. So these are the little tricky one. Okay, let's see how many of you are able to solve now. So this question, 30 seconds is more than sufficient for this. Your time starts now. Chalo bhai. देखे किसमें कितना है दम. Option A, very good. Art. So wing milk tax is written as this one, milk. So you have to find out the code for guide. Guide is here. Okay, now so you see tax is here and tax is here. So what is the code for tax? What is common here? So MRU. Oh sorry, there are two things are common, milk and tax. Okay, so MRU AO. So now IJP or art one will be the answer. Then you see class and here class. What is common? So common is IJP. So what is remaining? Art. So what is the code for the guide? So the code for the guide will be art, a simple question. So there will be simple question, there will be difficult question. Okay, and then only we will be able to score and solve. Now for this particular question I will give you 30 seconds, a very easy problem. Once again, easy peasy. So easy peasy. Okay, now tell me the answer. Khatakat. So tell me the answer fast. So if Somesh is coded as 30 seconds is over. Option A, D. Arey bhai, how come AD comes here? See, who is telling? Kamya Jain is telling D. Okay, and then other people are telling D, A. How come either A or D will be the answer? Let's see whose answer is correct. Most of the people are telling D. So Somesh is coded as this. Rajni is coded as this. See, sometimes no, we use lot of mind which is not required. Money. So भैया ये देखो n is 6. So where is 6? this and this. This two option is eliminated. Okay. Then the last one we will see I. Where is I? I is here, mere bhai. So 6 5. Sir 9 6 5. A is where? A is here. So N. Where is M? So M is here, sir, 0. So sometimes we have to use very less of our mind, but you're really asking TCS. अरे भाई ये देखो screenshot, ये देखो यहाँ पे number, okay? So they will ask simple question also, and they will ask difficult question also, okay? So it's not like they will ask. You will be getting good questions. Don't worry. After some time, no, you will start telling, now see, this is the question of TCS, okay? So now this one you solve. Here you will enjoy. Chalo bhai, enjoy. So here you will enjoy, I know. So your time starts now. Your time starts now. Katakat. Chalo. Please do like the session, yaar. Sir, hi sir, my name is G. Srivalli. Okay, Funny Kumar Gudipati. Very good name. Thank you for informing. This G. Srivalli is in Puspa movie. So male or female? G. Srivalli, because your Funny Kumar is male and G. Srivalli is female. I mean Srivalli in Puspa movie I had seen. 20 more seconds to solve. Chalo bhai. Okay, if 500 plus like will be there, I will definitely make videos, Java videos, don't worry. Math की मराठी. So math की मराठी. This is the option A, D, A, D. Okay. So in a library, 5 books on 5 subject. So we have science. Okay. So here I will write. We have science. We have Hindi. We have math. We have Marathi. And then we have English. Right? Okay. Now what they are telling, there are 5 students are standing in a queue to get this book, not necessarily in the same order. The top book goes to the first person in the queue, second book to the second person, and so on. Umesh and Sudhir were standing as far as possible. See, Umesh, they will be able to stand as far if this condition will be there, right? So one will be at the bottom position and one will be at the top position. We don't know which will be on the bottom and which will be on the top. Satish got the Hindi book. So bhaiya, here Satish will come. Satish got the Hindi book. So here Satish will come. Kiran was standing between Umesh and Binay. So Umesh and Binay. So Binay, if you'll keep here, this will not be between, right? So here who will be there? Kiran. So this is not between. Between means bhaiya do piche, do aage, beech mein. And here, so Kiran, here the places is this one. So Kiran will come here. Now you tell me which one is correct. You tell me which one is correct and you tell me what is the answer now. Because here in between Umesh and Binay, between it is not coming, right? And here you see in between Umesh and Binay, between it is coming Kiran. So Kiran is nothing but Marathi. So that is the only problem. Okay. Is it clear for everyone, guys? Any doubt? Because many of you have given option as D. So that is the reason I wanted to know. Is there any doubt? If no doubt, then please let me know in the comment section and let us proceed ahead. Python videos, Python and Java videos will come tomorrow if we are getting 500 plus likes today. Okay. So here we are not able to bring this in between Umesh and Binay. But here we are able to bring this in between. So you have to You have to consider both the conditions for Umesh. Math is the answer. How, sir? It is here only, no? You are able to see, right? You are able to see, I explained. Somebody is, Pallavi is asking how, sir? Math is the answer if you will do chat GPT, right? So if you will do chat GPT will tell you math is the answer. So don't do chat GPT. See, I am telling you logic, right? You also tell me the logic. I mean, how math? So if you will tell me math, how it is. See, I told you how it is Marathi. But if you are telling math, then you tell me how it is math. It's okay. I'm agreeing with you. See, maths or reasoning works on the logic, okay? So if you give chat GPT will give you different answer, that you leave. But Kiran was standing between Umesh and Binay, right? What is there to explain? So Manvardhan Tripathi is telling explain again, but what is there to explain? I have already see in one case they are telling Umesh and, right? So Umesh and Sudhir as far as possible. So that means definitely one has to be in bottom, one has to be in top. But who will be in bottom and who will be in top, that I don't know. So I have taken both the conditions, right? उमेश एंड सुधीर आर टुगेदर. अरे भाई टुगेदर नहीं है, वी आर स्टैंडिंग एज फार. फार का मतलब है कि फार का मतलब है जितना दूर रह सको. टुगेदर कहां से आ गया भाई? टुगेदर मीन्स सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उमेश एंड सतीश सुधीर, राइट, मेल, हाउ दे विल बी टुगेदर है? ओके, so together I don't know how are you telling together, that is okay. Now the next question is, this is again a very good question. So let's see how many of you are able to solve. I'll give you 1 minute of the time. Okay, your time starts now. Chalo bhai. Okay, so your time is up now, and let me see how many of you are able to solve. Okay. Gemini says Marathi. ChatGPT does not give right logic instantly. Sometimes it gives wrong answer too. अरे भाई कहाँ जा रहे हो यार? खुद का लॉजिक पे डाउट हो गया तुमको. ओके, फार फ्रॉम फर्स्ट पोजीशन. Where they had mentioned far from first position. Umesh and we are standing as far as possible, not from first position, man. You guys don't create questions by yourself. Okay, verbal videos we will do, don't worry. So each of the 7 bottles A, B, C, D, E, F and G have a different amount of IL in them. Bottle F. So bottle F has more IL than exactly 2 bottles. So that means that is our first clue, that bhaiya, so total is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F will be here. That is the first clue what we have. Okay, and after that we will note down. So F has more than only 2. Okay, next second. Bottle A has 23 liter. So भैया A के पास है आपको 23 liter. A has 23 liter. In it which is less than bottle D. So bottle D is having more. That means bottle D is having more. Okay, this is also clear. Fine. Bottle C has more IL than bottle F. Bhaiya C has more than F. C has more than F. Okay, but less than A. But less than A. But less than A. So A has 23. Okay. So C has less than that. So this option and this option gone. Correct? This option and this option gone. Two option is eliminated. Then, okay. So bottle E. Now I have two option. Okay. So bottle G has 10 liter. Okay. Just a second. I'm just trying to remove the option. Okay. So let me just see. So bottle here, bottle C has. I'm just trying to eliminate the option. Okay. Bottle C has more oil than bottle F, but less than A. That is done. Now let us see 4. Bottle G has 10. So bottle G has 10 liter. Okay. In which in it which is more than bottle B. So this is more than bottle B. Bottle G is having more than this one. Okay, that is also done. But less than bottle E. Okay, this is my fourth one. Already two option is eliminated. Bottle E has less oil than C. That means C is having more. Okay. So friends, one thing is very, very clear, that C is having more than all this. So definitely 5 cannot be. Okay. Definitely 5 cannot be. Bottle E has more oil than F. Bottle E has more than F. So you see here, now I will try to place it here. F is already there. Okay. And this G and B. This G and B will come here. And then, okay, so D and A, because D is more than A. Okay. And then we have C is greater than E. So C will be greater than E. So here D, this is 23 and this is 10. So in between 23 and 10, the value of C will be there, which is nothing but 15 liter. So basically you did not have to combine everything. This was not required actually. This was not required because see, two options we eliminated because bhaiya A is 23 and A is more than C. So this 25 and 30 is gone. Now here comes your C is greater than all this. Your C is greater than F also. So definitely C value will be little more. It cannot be 5. So it will be 15. And then it said G is 10. So we were easily able to make it out. So B is the right answer. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone, guys? 15 liter. So D, A, C, E, F, G, B. Is it clear for everyone? Done, 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 guys. Please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Then we will be moving towards the next problem. And if it is clear, quickly like the session, sir. If more than 500 likes, I am going to. Sir loses every time. He is always last among us. Arey bhai, because I need to tell you. See, if I have to win, okay. So if I have to win, I will solve the question from home. And then I will directly come and tick the answer. Okay. So you have to win because I have to explain in such a way that you will have minimum number of doubts. If I have to solve, I will not take this much of time. Okay. So see, I'm okay if I lose from you, but you have to win from others. Okay. And for that, whatever is there, I will do it. Okay, Abhijit sir. So sir is not losing. Sir is losing so that you can win. Okay. Anyway, that is fine. Not a problem. Okay, next question coming from syllogism. Okay. So next question coming from syllogism, and let's see how many of you are able to solve. Thank you, Anto Aswin. Your time has already started. Okay, so your time is up now. So only one follows. Okay, cool. Let me solve it for you. Not a problem. None follows. So option B, option C. See, I saw option B, I saw option C, I saw option D, but I did not say I did not see option A. Somebody please, give that option A also. Oh, sorry, here. How come it came here? So option A is not there. So that also you please bring it. So that all the 4 options will be covered. Okay, let me solve now. Now let's see here. Sorry, I was just replying to the text. So all laptops are computer. So all laptops are computers. Correct? Computers. Some machines are computers. Some machines are computers. Okay? And all machines are instruments. And all these machines are instruments. And all these machines are instruments. Okay? Correct. Now, some machines are laptop. So, some machines are laptop. You see here. So, this machine, right? So, this is your machine. This is your machine. So, this machine is not touching the laptop. It might touch or it might not touch. Okay? See, what actually you have to identify in syllogism, the relation between machine and laptop is not given. If the direct relation between machine and laptop is not given, we will not be able to conclude anything. If instead of this, if they would have given that no machines are laptop, no machines are laptop, no machines are laptop, in that case also you could have told doesn't follow. The reason is the relation between machine and laptop is not given. If it is not given, we cannot say there will be a relation or not. So here your conclusion 1 fails. So here your conclusion 1 fails. Okay. So if the conclusion 1 fails, that means this option and this option automatically gone. Now, some machines are not computer. See, some machines here in this diagram you can say only say positive statement that some machines are computer. You cannot say, see, when you have a diagram like this, when you are saying A, B, so you can only say some A are B and some B are A. You cannot say some A are not B and some B are not A. That you cannot say. So in this case, this will also become false. If this become false, means this become false. Okay. Some instruments are not computer. So the relation between instrument and the computer is not given. If the relation, oh sorry, I'm sorry. So the instrument and what they're asking, the instruments and computer. So some part of instruments is computer. So some parts of instrument is computer. So you can only say some A are B, some B are A. You cannot say some instruments are not computer. So here it goes, none of the follows. Now this is a very important question and this you need to understand. See, one thing is when relation is not given, you cannot comment anything. You see, you only think, very simple. भैया मान लो यहाँ पे एक लड़का है और एक है लड़की, एक है लड़की, मान लो दोनों का एज है कुछ 30-28. Now if I ask you what is the relation between them, sir boyfriend girlfriend, the first thing will come to your mind. Then sir husband wife, then sir brother sister, sir cousins, lot of things will come in your mind. When relation is not given, when machine and laptop relation is not given, has it given anywhere? Nahi sir, nahi diya hua hai. How can you comment on that yaar? You cannot comment. Second one, when some A are B, you can only say some B are A. You cannot say some A are not B, some B are not A. That is a possibility. That is not a positive statement. So because of that, this too is false. So option D becomes the correct answer. Is it clear for everyone? If it is not clear, tell me what is not clear. If it is not clear, tell me not clear. Some machines are not computer means others are computer. Then option 2 is also correct. No. So you need to learn the basics. That's what I said. You need to learn the basics. If you say some A or B, you can only say some B or A. Positive statement, negative statement you cannot. So in the course, right, TCS NQT crash course, if you'll go and see, everything is clearly explained from the basics, right? Income expenditure trick will not work here. Bhaiyo, so the level of the syllogism has gone so high that I plus E and these things, mere bhai, it will not work. Okay, so if somebody is teaching you, see, I can teach you more other techniques also. I can teach you some other techniques also. But now, when you will start solving the difficult problems where only a few, then you will not be able to solve the questions. Okay. Now next, see, one thing I wanted to tell you, if somebody is watching later, or see, TCS NQT crash course, we have given a lot of results in TCS, and the reason is, and if you'll see here, we released the DSA white book part 1 part 2, which is very, very important for your examination. Okay, and all the topics in detail, if you go inside the recorded videos, mock test, everything is there. So TCS NQT crash course is one of the best course what we have, and trust me, go for it blindly. Okay, so close your eyes and go for it. Each and everything, each and every detail you will be able to get from here. Anyway, now let us move towards the next next problem. So next problem is this one. Your time starts now. Hello. Hello. हेलो. हाँ रवि, क्लास में बनी तनी क्लास खत्म होता 15-20 मिनट में तो फोन करो. Okay, sorry, I did not switch off my mic. So in the certain code language, waited for call details is coded as this, call ended in 1 minute is coded as this. Option C. Very good. So this is a very simple question. Again, it's a very easy peasy problem. Questions are shuffled so that you will be able to get the, you will be able to basically answer the question properly. Okay, so what is the code for the word minute? Now here you see minute and here you see minute. Nothing else is common. What is here? 5F, 5F. So 5F, 5F means option C will be the correct answer. 5F, 5F means option C will be the correct answer. Are Bihari Babu, Are Madhav Gupta, Kaisan ba? Okay, so I hope it is clear. So now moving towards the next problem. So everything is clear, right? My voice and my this thing is clear, right? Good. Next question. So next question is again a good question. I'm giving you 1 minute of time and let's see how many of you are able to solve. Chalo. Accenture phase 3 for 2025. Please tell sir. Shall we prepare? Yes, prepare. Why? Prepare. Don't leave anything. So keep preparing. Another 10 seconds. Option B. Question is cut. The cut part you do not have to see. So the cut part you leave. Okay. So your time is up now, and few people have only solved. Let's see. So there are four. Okay. So 7% A B C D. So भैया 7% is there. कहाँ गए भाई? चलो. So 7% are there. A B C D E F and G are standing in a row. So you have A B C D E F G. So we have 7 persons standing in a row such that all of them are facing towards the north. Position from left to right. There are 4 persons between A and G. There are 2 persons between E and D. So there are 2 persons. There are 2 persons between E and D, and E is to the left of D. So this statement is done. There are 2 persons between E and D, where E is to the left of D. D is to the immediate right of G. So bhaiya D is to the immediate right of G. So this also done. Okay. Now there are 4 persons between A and G. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So A will be here. So there are 4 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 persons between A and G. Okay. Now, so then what they are asking, if B is to the immediate right of E. So if B is to the immediate right of E, then who is at the position 2? Okay. And then they are telling 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 4, 7. Now we have A, B, C and E, F. C and F we have, right? So there are 4 persons between A and G. There are 2 persons between E and D, where E is to the left of D. B and C is not together, not a problem. If B is to the immediate right of T, and D is to the immediate right of G. So I am not able to place C and F. So what is option C? Cannot be determined. So you are telling C, option C, right? So what is the correct answer? Cannot be determined because I am not able to place this C and F. Okay, so C will be here or F will be there, or F will be here or C will be there. That I am not able to determine. So my answer will be cannot be determined. If B is to the immediate right of E, then what is the position at 2? So the position at 2 here I am not able to determine. These things are not helping me. So these 4 are not helping me to identify it. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone, guys? Let me know if it is clear for everyone. Let me know if it is clear for everyone. Come on. अरे यार एक कमेंट कर दो, yes sir it is clear. Move ahead with the next problem. Okay. Okay. Now too easy. Explain once again. Somebody is telling explains. What is there to explain once again? There is nothing. See, you watch the video once more, rewind it and watch. Okay. Now next problem. So next problem here. Okay, so okay, so before that we will solve this syllogism problem and then we will go ahead with the next problem. So let's solve this syllogism problem and then we will go with the sitting arrangement. Okay, your time is up now. Let's see. So some flats are school. So there are some flats which are school. Some flats are schools, and all schools are buses, right? And no student is a bus, and no student is a bus. Okay, fine. Now see, let us see the second conclusion. It is very easy. Some buses are flats. So this bus and flats, right? So this bus and flats are crossing each other. It's a common. So second one definitely follows, right? So second one definitely follows. So this option or this option is gone. So now we have this or this. Okay, fine. Then they are telling some students are not schools. So now student and school, if we'll try to see. So here they are telling no student is a bus. No student is a bus and school is inside the bus. So what they are telling, you please try to understand a little bit. So here school is there and then buses, and then they are telling no student is a bus. So definitely you can also say, because school is inside bus, so no student is school. In that case you can say some students are not school, or you can also say some schools are not a student. Both you can say. That means the first one will be true. Now please try to understand. If I say my complete liver, okay, my complete liver, are you able to see my liver? Matlab pet, stomach. My complete liver is not damaged. Okay, if I say my complete liver is not damaged, then my some part of liver are also not damaged. My some part of liver is also not damaged. So if you say no student is a school, then some part of a student also not a school. If my complete part of liver is not damaged, then some part of liver is not damaged. If no student is a school, then even some part of a student will also not be school. Simple. Okay. So here comes both conclusion 1 and 2 follows, and option D becomes the correct answer. Clear? आया समझ में? तो ठोको like. If it is clear, then please do like the video. And yes, as I said, tomorrow definitely I'll be bringing different video. Is it clear for everyone, guys? So option D, both follows. Right hand is damaged, I cannot. अरे भाई मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूं यार. Clear? How sir? Nayan, I explained right. Liver को लेके explain कर दिया यार. Okay. So see, if you'll watch in the course, right? So in the TCS NQT crash course, if you'll watch the basic videos only I have told. If you are telling no ARB, then you can say all A are not B, all A are not B. You can say all B are not A, all B are not A. You can say some A are not B. You can say some A are not B, and then you can also say some B are not A. This already I have told in the TCS NQT crash course. In the basic itself, these things has been explained, because if your no liver is damaged, then even some part also will not be damaged, even all part of liver also will not be damaged. Okay, so that's what I told you, friends. This TCS NQT, see, that is how the result comes, man. Result will not come simply that, okay, some people are just, you know, cracking the exams. No, the lot of effort has gone behind that, small concept, and that is the reason you see, right? So that many results comes from online study for you. There is no other reason, and that is the reason I always tell you, bhai, जाओ ये crash course ले लो. But you guys will think sir is doing promotion. Sir is not doing the promotion, because I do not have time to teach everything from the basics. Okay, so that is the only reason this crash course comes in picture. Otherwise, without crash course also you could have cleared. Okay, next. So next is possibility. So all this has been asked in this your exam. Okay, TCS exam. So it's not like I'm kidding. The next question starts now. Your timer starts now. चलो भाई जल्दी से। Sir, my girlfriend left me. Please tell me what to do and how to prepare for TCS now. I am heartbroken. Bhai, heartbroken people know, trust me, they can do anything they want. So today you see online study for you, right? I started it after my breakup only. Okay. So this was started after my breakup only. And today you see lot of people have got job from online study for you. So if you are heartbroken, that means trust me, you can do whatever you want. Okay, because now you know where is the right direction. Till then you are in relationship, the directions will never be clear. Even direction question also you cannot solve. But now you see your north, okay, north, you know, east, south, west, all direction you will be able to see now. And that is more than sufficient for you to crack TCS. Okay, so only conclusion one follows. Now let us see. So some dogs are cat. So bhaiya, there are some dogs. There are some dogs which are cats. So some dogs are cat, and then some tiger are cat. Okay, now, so friend, syllogism is I will say, like, you know, okay. So syllogism is not a very easy topic. Okay, so if I say here, you know, all A are B, okay, if I say here all A are B, I can also say some A are B, because when all part of A is B, then definitely you can also say some A are B, and when you say some A are B, you can also say some B are A. So these are the concept, basic concepts are there, which I always teach in the, you know, the first this thing, first class of syllogism. So this is the Venn diagram which we have made. Now let us see for the second conclusion first. This is easy. So no tiger is dog. So tiger and dog relation is not given. Bhaiya kutta और बाघ का relation. So tiger and dog relation is not given. So I will say that does not follow. Okay. See, I know many people have given the answer that bhaiya conclusion second follows. No. Conclusion second and this one is gone. Okay. See, no tiger is dog, because I might draw it like this. I might draw it like this. This is a possibility. I might have drawn like this. This is a possibility. So when the relation is not given in the, when the relation is not given in the statement, see, tiger and dog relation is not given. That means I cannot conclude anything. Don't ask me anything. If you'll ask me anything, I will say get lost. Okay. So I will say nahi bhaiya, this is false. So first of all, second statement you need to understand that it is false. Okay. Now I'll erase and then we will look at the first statement. Now, so some dogs are cat. So bhaiya, some dogs are cats, and then some tigers are cats. Chalo. Okay, then some dog which are cat. Some dog which are cat. So some dog which are cat. Let's see. Kaun ho bhai tum? Some dog. So this is a dog which is cat. Some dog which is cat. Okay. Being a tiger. Now if I bring this inside tiger, what will happen? Okay. So my dear friends, I can draw tiger like this. So tiger is here. I can draw tiger like this. No problem. No problem. I can draw like this. See, you can draw the diagrams till you are not violating the statement. That means, you see, I have drawn a diagram like this. Some dogs are cat, bahut badhiya. Okay. Some tigers are cat. Okay. So if you do A, B, so you can say all A are B and some B are A. So some tigers are cat. I have not violated anything. That means this diagram is perfectly all right. And now I can say some dog which are cat. Bhaiya ye tiger bhi ho sakta hai. Being tiger also. So this is clear. So only conclusion one follows. Option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Sir, I am big fan of out the teaching method very well in case of aptitude session. Are Pavin Sindhe, so in case of reasoning, it is not good. A separate video for syllogism would be better. Yeah, it will be better, but the thing is, time is not there. So, sir, be careful with madam, sir. Now you might be in danger. What danger, man? Already. Okay, sir. Please remove those people. Quant mock PYQ. Quant mock PYQ also will come. Chalo, bhai. Is it clear for everyone? Very good. Now we will be going for the next problem. So what is the next problem? Now next problem is, okay, one data sufficiency problem. Bahutte problem hai abhi bhai. Okay. So till 10 o'clock we will continue. Another 16 minutes we will continue. So this is a data sufficiency problem, and after that we will move to so after that we will move to sitting arrangement problems, which is remaining. Chalo. Now this question. I hope it is visible to everyone. Tomorrow I will not take classes. Tomorrow there will be coding classes. Tomorrow I want to take one day rest. Guys, please do like the sessions here. I'm telling you, there will be multiple sessions coming on. Only if you're interested and we get more than 500 plus likes. I'm not even telling that 1000 likes or 2000 like. Minimum 500 people, if they are interested, then we will do the videos. Otherwise, so much effort goes in. सर समझ नहीं आया, फिर से देखो भाई, इसको दोबारा देखो, समझ आएगा. For a structure learning TCS NQT, which channel we would prefer? See, no channel will give you structure learning, otherwise there are a lot of cost goes behind that. Okay, so mixer relegation. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so here you see the what is the present age of vinyl. Okay, so present age of vinyl. Statement 1 says the age of Uday. Statement 1 says the age of Uday and vinyl after 6 years. The age of in the ratio, the age of Uday and vinyl after 6 years will be 8:7. So statement 1, I cannot tell the age of vinyl. So statement 1 gone. Statement 2, the age of Uday 6 years ago was half of the age of Tilak. Now statement 2, they have not even talked about vinyl, that also gone. Statement 3, Uday is 3 years older than vinyl. That's all. So statement 3 also alone I cannot do. Now what I will do, I will go and put the value of u here. So 3 plus v plus 6 and v plus 6, and after this if I solve, I will be getting the present age of vinyl. So I need 1 and 3, and then we will be able to answer. So option D. So option D is the correct answer, and I hope it is clear for everyone. Option D is the correct answer, and I hope it is clear for everyone. Done? Clear for everyone, guys? Please let me know if it is clear. Okay. This is a behtrin question. Before that, how many questions are there? Okay, this one you try to solve. How, sir? Arey, what how, sir? I have given you this thing, no? Equations, right? If you will solve these equations, V is unknown. Now there is only one equation. If you do cross multiplication, you will be getting the value for V. Python coding questions, we will make a video, don't worry about it. Python coding questions, we will make a video tomorrow. Please solve this. You have another 27 seconds. So your time is up now. Here you will see you have a afford, right? Afford and DROFFZ, right? So you have one option B, C, A, B, C, D, D, A. So afford, A double F O R D. Okay. Now here we have D R O F F Z. Second one also I'll put E N G A G E, and then we have E G A G N V. See, this last letter looks like this is opposite of this. Okay. Anyway, now then this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. How it is arranged we will see. So D is nothing but 6, R is nothing but 5, O is nothing but 4, and this is 3 and 2, 2 3 or 3 2, something like that. Then this one you see the last letter is opposite one. Then this is 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 6. Okay. And then G is 5, A is 4, G is 3, N is 2. So this is following the pattern. A and B is following the pattern. So A and B will become the correct answer. It is option B. So option B is following the correct pattern. So option B will become the correct answer. Okay. And other things, if you'll see, F is here, F is here, F is here, F is here. After that, okay, next is BC. So B and C, if you'll see what is common. So, okay, so E is here. The first letter or the last letter is here. But it is not like that. So BC gone. BC cannot be the answer. And then C and D. So C and D, this is okay. So here D is at the end. Here F is not at the end. So this is also gone. D and A. So D and A is this one. So here D D, and here RF, sorry, LF. This is also not the answer. Okay, so option B will become the correct answer. Is it clear for everyone? So we checked all other options as well. There is no similarity. That means whatever we have done is correct. Whatever we have done is all right. And now we can move ahead with the next problem. Correct? Okay, so before this, we will solve this because this is a good question. And after that, we will try to solve this. Okay, so I am first trying to solve the question which is more important and more tricky. So this question, you please try to solve this. This is a tricky problem, but trust me, they have given one point, okay, in the option which is making this problem easier. So I was able to solve this with the option instead of giving by the process, because the process will definitely take time. So I think it will take more than 2 to 3 minutes if you'll go by the process. So just try it out. What happened to the people? Where are you guys here? No answers. I'm not getting any answers now. Are you guys tired? So another 8 minutes we will solve and then we will leave. Chalo. Let's see who is going to solve this. Option C. Somebody is telling option C. Okay, so I just wanted you to give a try and then I will take it ahead. So that is option A. So option C, option C, option B, option. Okay. Now let us try to see. I'll go to the next page where this question was asked, and I hope you take this a screenshot. You take a screenshot of this so that you will be able to, or I will try to solve it here only. Let's see if I could manage to solve it here. Now in the question they are asking, who is sitting 3 places to the right of artist? So it is very clear. So I will take some to this thing here. So now 1, 2, total how many? 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine. Okay, now we will pick the line. So one thing is definitely clear that after artist, right? So 1, 2, 3. So 3 person are sitting. Okay. So after artist, minimum 3 person are sitting. Now let's see. This one you see, the actor and the musician are sitting at either end of the row. F is not the artist. And see, musician and actor are sitting at the end. Okay, either end of the row. And the musician is sitting to the immediate left of C. So musician is in left. So if you'll put musician here, then if you'll put musician here, then musician will not be left of someone because they are sitting at either end of the row. So musician is sitting to the immediate left of C. So now this is the data what we have. Okay, so this from these two. Okay, next I will make one more similar diagram here so that we will have less confusion. So this is musician and this is C. Now they are telling, so after artist, right? See, who is sitting 3 places to the right of artist? After artist I should have 3 places. So I can, this is giving me a very good idea. So this is giving me a very good idea. What is that idea, sir? Can you tell me? So either the artist will be this. So 1, 2, 3 places I will have, or the artist will be this. 1, 2, 3. There is no other place because I need to find out 3 places to the right of artist, and this line has made this problem very simple. Otherwise you will be keep finding the the possibilities and it will not be that easy. Okay, so now that is done. Okay, now anyway, at the end we have actor, at the end we have actor. That has already been given, correct? Okay, fine. Chalo bhai, next kya hai? Next, this one you see, the artist and the sports person are on either side of A. So if the artist is here, then A will be here, because here this line you see, A, एक side में भैया artist आएगा, and in one side we will be having a sports person, and this is immediately next. So definitely A if comes here, then sports person will be there. If artist comes here, then A will come here, and here sports person will come. Correct? Done? Okay. Now my dear friends, what they are telling, okay, fine. So artist 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I have to place doctor. Where I will place doctor? See, here it is actor, I cannot place. Sports I cannot place. Art I cannot place. Musician I cannot place. I can place here A, but they are clearly telling B is doctor. So here I cannot place. So bhaiya, doctor will be here. Doctor will be here, and that will be B. In this case, where you will place doctor? Arey bhai, there is no space only. I cannot place doctor here. Okay, because B is doctor and there is no place. So it is very clear from the artist 1, 2 and 3 you will be having doctor, and option D is the correct answer. It's a wonderful question. It's a very good question. The only thing is, this question, what line they have given gave me a clear idea, and I made the problem very simple. Now let me know if it is clear to you all or not. This is a good question, but we have made it really simple because of the given steps. चलो भाई जल्दी बताओ, क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? So let me know if it is clear for you or not. We have taken this statement, I am telling you again and again. Based on that, I kept musician here, I kept actor here, okay, and then musician is just left to C, so I put C here. Now from the artist I need 3 places, so in this case I have taken artist here, in this case I have taken artist here. After that I cannot take artist anywhere. Tell me bhai, it is clear or not? So much effort we are putting, so please tell me if there is a doubt. Tell where is a doubt, and then we will work on it, okay. But now I hope it is clear. 160 people are still there. Bata do yaar. And please, can you tell again? So Praveen, instead of me telling again, once this live ends, so you watch this video once again, okay. So this question you watch it once again, because same thing I will explain it once again. It will be wastage of time for you also and for us also. See, if they have not given anything in the question, somebody is asking a very good question. Sir, how we will come to know they are facing in north or south or whatever? Friends, if nothing is given, everybody will face north. If nothing is given, see, this is the actual question of TCS. If you'll see here, my dear friend, this is the actual question of TCS, okay. And see, this question is mandatory for you to attempt. In addition, you cannot revisit the question. Please take care not to navigate to the previous questions without attempting this question. So this is the actual question of TCS, okay. Now one question I am going to give you for homework, okay. So this particular question, please take a screenshot and let me know if the session was useful for you or not. And tomorrow, as I said, okay, so if there are 500 plus likes, I'll be bringing another session. I'm planning for 500 plus likes, okay. And if it is there, I will be bringing one shot where I will be covering all the formulas for aptitude, reasoning before your exam. So you will be having a very good practice before you go for the exam, okay. Is it clear for everyone? If it is clear, please let me know if the session was helpful or not, because now I am going to end the session. 2 hours का पूरा energy gone, okay. See, Gokul, you will be getting similar kind of question. No negative marking, no negative marking. Let me know if the session was useful. See, that gives me more satisfaction that okay, the 2 hours whatever I spent with you, it was useful for you guys. That is the reason I always ask guys, did you enjoy the session? Was the session useful? So that I can understand that 2 hours which I spent with you, it was useful for you, and that is the reason. See, Vinuta, live streams will not be happening daily, so based on when I get time, okay. So thank you for all your feedback. Now I'm going to close it. Thank you so much for your efforts, and thank you so much for trusting us, trusting in online study for you. It definitely brings more and more motivation to us to work hard and hard, okay. Lecture on mixture and delegation, okay, we'll try. Please do live on verbal ability. Yeah, so live on verbal ability also we will do, don't worry. So 1500 rupees course which you have taken, that you can utilize it for the other examination also, don't worry, okay. Thank you guys, bye bye, see you soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.